So this is a tree that can produce the leaves that we make whistles out of. It's just a little case moth on it. Anyway, but as you can see, there's a slight problem. All the good leaves are at the top. You just see some, you might not, well, I can see with my eyes, some tips up there that are new growth, but Buckley's chance of reaching them. And that's one of the big problems, is that the leaves you need are the young tips, and they kind of grow at the top. This is a no. This is also a no. This is the right kind of tree. And I can see some just up there, shining. But again, not something that you can easily reach. So, the best bet is to try and find a baby tree. These ones are not the right sort. There's no filmy type cover. Whoops, I need to look where my camera's pointing. That you can peel the backs off. Again, here's some more red tips, but they're still not the same sort as our whistle leaves. And this bark here, you can see, is not the right kind of bark. Here's another baby, and even though this tip is not red, it will peel. It has a very soft, very shiny coating on it. The very best ones are usually the reddest. They seem to have the strongest filmy bit, but this one would do it, because the problem with baby trees is that they don't have the distinctive bark like the adults, so you can't rely on that. You have to look at the leaves. You can see this little red one's very shiny. This one up here as well. Of course, the other problem is that baby trees often don't make very big leaves. Let's see how we go. There we go. I always do it from the back, as the front usually has the best film on it. We'll see if it works. I'd say that's a yes. One final note. You often will find trees that have been lopped along roadsides, so they've pruned the trees, or they've mowed the sides off, cut them back for power lines. That tends to be where you can often find good regrowth. It's the regrowth you want. And so sometimes I can actually see leaves that would make whistles driving along the road. But again, I've had a lot of practice at it.